Ever walk through Target and wonder which home decor pieces actually look expensive and which ones just look cheap? With all the new arrivals, especially the latest Studio McGee collection, it can be hard to know what's worth buying and what to skip. And if you're trying to get that designer look without the designer price tag, it can feel even more overwhelming. In this video, I'm taking you inside Target to show you exactly what I'd buy as a designer, what I'd pass on, and how to style these affordable pieces so that they look truly high-end in your home. You'll walk away with ideas and inspiration you can actually use. Hi, I'm Nikki D, a formally trained interior designer, and if you want to make your home look designer on a budget, you're in the right place. And to take your decorating skills to the next level, check out my course, Designer Home 101. It walks you through how to design every room step by step. All the links from today's video will be in the description to make it easy to shop these affordable finds. Let's head into Target and check out the new Studio McGee collection and a few more finds that look luxe for less. The first thing I saw when I entered the home section was the Studio McGee display, and it was fully stocked. Burgundy, brown, and olive green are clearly the colors of the season. Let's start off with one of my favorite ways to make a home look expensive, an ottoman. Target had several new styles, and this velvet and metal ottoman was stunning. It was one of my top picks online, and it did not disappoint. For $120, you get a plush gold velvet seat with a chic curved metal base. It looks designer, feels sturdy, and yes, I sat on it, and it was super comfy. A pair would look great opposite your sofa or at the foot of your bed. There's also a bench version online that will work beautifully in an entryway with a mirror or art above it. Next up, the brown swivel storage ottoman for $110, which is perfect for smaller spaces or tucked under a console table. You get hidden storage, extra seating, and the swivel makes it super functional for entertaining. There was also a neutral striped cube ottoman for $110 that's giving serious designer vibes. It looks just like this high-end version that sells for $895. It's an inch taller, which makes it feel even more elevated. Now for the one I'd skip. The olive green ottoman with wood legs. It's $120, but it felt off. The seat dips in awkwardly in the center and the legs looked unfinished. Not the polished look we're going for. To help you visualize the difference, here's a look at all three side by side. You can really see how shape, height, and silhouette affect the overall look. Accent tables are small but mighty. They could totally change the feel of a room. A unique shape or sculptural base adds that polished high-end finish. If your style leans traditional, the black cast iron table for $160 may be for you. It has a curved frame, a textured top, but it felt a little too lightweight for the price. I'd personally pass on this one. Next, the metal, stone, and wood table. It's more modern and has that mixed material look designers love. Just know it's a little low at 18 inches, so make sure you measure your seating first. For help creating a floor plan, download the free PDF link below. Still, it's solid and worth the $195 price. My favorite, the threshold marble and brass table for $120. It's hexagon shaped, sturdy, and looks way more expensive than it is. Pro tip, since marble is natural, the veining varies. If possible, buy this one in store to make sure that the tops are similar in color. The two in my store look different. One top was gray veining and the other was more purple with black. They don't have to be exactly the same, but you do want to make sure that they're similar. And another favorite, this golden marble drink table for $80. I've shared it before and still love it, especially if your style is more contemporary. If you don't know your style, I've linked a free quiz below to help. Now for the skips. The maroon lacquer table, which comes in side, console, and coffee table versions, felt a bit plastic and overly trendy. Unless maroon is your color, I'd say skip it and bring trendy colors in through pillows and decor instead. Another one I'd pass on is this wood table with braided legs. It looked good from a distance, but up close it felt cheap, and the one in store was already chipped. For me, it's not worth the $160 price tag. Now for a quick viewer comment. Someone asked, would love your suggestions on layering side tables / drink tables. Yes, it's a thing and looks great. And this is a look that you could totally do from Target. Think mixed materials, styles, and heights. For example, you could layer the black cast iron table, the marble drink table, and the brown top table for a collected look that feels intentional and high-end without the designer price tag. Have a design dilemma? Drop it in the comments. I just might feature it next, so make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss it. One of the pieces that really stood out was the brown table lamp with velvet whip stitch detail on the angled empire shade. From the textured ceramic base to the brown cord and felt bottom that protects your surface, this one feels super elevated. Style it on nightstands or on either side of your sofa for that layered designer lighting. If you already have a brown lamp, you can grab the whip stitch shade separately for an easy update. A simple way to elevate your entryway is to layer a woven accent rug under your welcome mat. This $20 plaid rug under the $20 welcome mat will make your entry feel styled and intentional. Layering adds color, pattern, and texture, 3 things every designer uses to complete a space. Greenery, florals, and sculptural vases are always in designer homes, and Target's current selection is impressive. The bay leaf tree for $150 comes in a basket, and the shady lady tree, also for $150, has a ribbed ceramic pot. Both look realistic and are perfect for empty corners. I'd skip the maroon trailing floral in the gray vase. It looked fake and too trendy in person. Instead, I love the look of this olive leaf arrangement for $35. It feels timeless, looks real, and has a heavier pot. If you want even more flexibility, grab a vase and add your own branches. I loved the white earthenware ribbed vase for $22 and the floral ceramic version from the new collection. They'd be perfect for shelf styling or even holding kitchen essentials. For color, this green vase for $25 and rustic brown planter for $35 are both great buys. Pro tip, style vases in odd numbers and vary the height. Candles are a small decor item with a big impact. Whether decorative or scented, they add warmth, scent, and style. Studio McGee's clear glass white candle in Cypress and Jupiter is fresh and neutral. There's also an olive one in sunflower and ivy and a brown one in black pepper and mahogany that both smell amazing. My favorite was the ceramic lidded candle. Once it's burned down, stick it in the freezer to remove the leftover wax and reuse the container as a decorative canister. For tapers, pair colored or neutral candles with silver holders from the collection for $20 or the Threshold Gold Trio for $25. Have pets or little ones? Try the Studio McGee Pura plug-in scent instead. Want your home to feel styled and finished? Add a tray or a marble dish. The $40 round brown wood tray would be perfect styled on an upholstered coffee table. It'll anchor your decor while being functional. Marble pieces from trays to canisters look elevated and bring in natural texture. I also spotted the floral canister and gold bowl I shared in last week's entryway video. Both are great finds. If you missed it, you could watch it here. One to skip is the paper mache pedestal bowl. It looked great from far away, but felt flimsy, and I honestly don't think it'll hold up. Pillows and throws are the easiest way to update your space seasonally. Target has great neutral options that are actually soft, not stiff like some affordable picks. Mix different textures and patterns to get that layered designer look. My favorites, the oversized olive green lumbar from Hearth and Hand, a peachy pink velvet hexagon pillow with burgundy piping that goes for $25, and the green floral for a traditional vibe. The Studio McGee 24-inch printed pillow for $36 is another way to bring burgundy into your space. The back is solid velvet, so you can flip it when you want to change the look. When shopping for pillows at Target, look for zippered pillows that you can swap the inserts or update the covers later. You can also upgrade flat inserts for a fuller custom feel. Art instantly elevates a space, and Target had one that stood out. This 30 by 30 abstract canvas from Studio McGee for $60. It adds movement and works alone or layered with smaller pieces. Add a picture light above to turn it into a focal point. Ones I'd skip are the burgundy frame print for $38. It felt too dark and small in the oversized mat. Another piece, this 28 by 28 abstract art that has a plastic frame that feels cheap for $65. If you do have either of these, let me know how you styled it in the comments. When designing your home, it's the little details that will give your space a finished look. The new Studio McGee baskets come in unique shapes and include lids. They're great for hiding clutter or holding a faux plant. The smaller one is $35, the larger one $50, and both felt solid. For modern spaces, this white and gold planter is perfect for upgrading a tree base. And if you love small decor moments, grab this brass and marble magnifying glass. It would look super cute styled on a tray or bookshelf. Are you looking for kitchen finds? Hearth and Hand had several beautiful glass and ceramic canisters. They're perfect for storing your daily essentials. I also love the cream and green teapot with brass accents that's $25, and the $4.99 cream spoon rest. They're pretty and practical. That was a lot, I know, but here's the truth. I left Target empty-handed. Why? Not because these pieces weren't affordable and great, because I didn't need anything. And that's what I want for you too. If it's not your style or it doesn't serve your space, skip it. Shopping with intention is how you design a home you truly love. But if you are updating a room, replacing something worn, or ready for a refresh, I hope this helps you feel more confident and inspired. All my favorite finds are linked below. Have a design dilemma? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. Want more help? Check out my course, Design a Home 101, to design every room step by step. Tag me on Instagram if you try any of these finds. I'd love to see your space. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, share it, and subscribe. I post new design tips every Sunday. And for even more ideas, watch this video next. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing. Ciao.